Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 56. We are continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin at Pier 35, continue along the Embarcadero, past the security fences of the historic ships, stop to view the SS Jeremiah O'Brien, and then walk past the Pier 39 Marina, finishing just before the entrance to the aquarium of the bay. Pier 35 stands as one of the older cruise and passenger terminals on the San Francisco waterfront. Completed in 1914, it served for decades as the city's primary docking facility for ocean liners and cruise vessels, particularly during the mid-20th century. Before the modern Pier 27 terminal opened in 2014, Pier 35 was the embarkation point for countless voyages to Alaska, Mexico, and Hawaii. Today, the building still sees occasional use, but its historic concrete bulk and industrial design are a reminder of San Francisco's maritime heyday. Continuing north, we soon reach the fenced-off area that housed some of the city's most important floating museums. Here lies the SS Jeremiah O'Brien, one of only two fully functional Liberty ships remaining from World War II. Built in 1943 at the New England Shipbuilding Corporation in Maine, she was part of a massive wartime fleet that transported troops, supplies, and equipment across the Atlantic and Pacific. The O'Brien made multiple voyages during the war, including supporting the D-Day landings in Normandy in June 1944. After the war, most Liberty ships were scrapped, but the Jeremiah O'Brien was preserved. She is remarkable not just as a museum, but as a working vessel. Her engines are still fully functional, and she even has sailed under her own power in modern times, including a celebrated voyage back to Normandy in 1994 for the 50th anniversary of D-Day. From the Embarcadero, you can glimpse her distinctive grey hull and superstructure, a living link to the city's role in the war effort and to the shipbuilding heritage of the Bay Area. As we continue north, the atmosphere shifts again. We arrive at Pier 39 Marina, a lively space filled with private yachts, sailboats, and excursion craft. This marina opened in the late 1970s as part of the Pier 39 development, transforming what has been another decaying finger pier into one of San Francisco's most famous tourist destinations. The rows of boats bobbing in the water here reflect the city's recreational sailing culture, long tied to its identity as a bay city. We end our walk just before the aquarium of the bay, located at the entrance of Pier 39. This facility opened in 1996, focused on the marine life of San Francisco and the surrounding waters, emphasizing local ecosystems rather than distant oceans. Though we stop short of entering, its presence still marks the beginning of Pier 39 complex, a hub of entertainment, dining, and tourism that has become one of the city's defining attractions. That concludes today's walk. From the historic cruise terminal at Pier 35, past the wartime legacy of the SS Jeremiah O'Brien, and into the bustling marina of Pier 39, stopping just before the aquarium of the bay.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.